Boys and girls, let's look at this first one here. We're taking the whole number of 6 and multiplying it by the fraction of 3/5. So when we multiply this whole number, remember we're going to put the whole number over the number 1. Then I'm simply multiplying numerator times numerator. 6 times 3 is 18. Then I'm going to multiply denominator by denominator. 1 times 5 is 5. And that's an improper fraction, so I have to change it to a mixed number. So I think to myself, 18 divided by 5, how many times can I do that? I could do it 3, because that will bring me to 15. And if I add 3 to it, that brings me to 18. So 3 is now my numerator. I always keep my same denominator of 5. I cannot break this down anymore because 3/5 is already in simplest form. So when I go to put my answer in over here, I'm going to first type my improper fraction of 18/5. And when I converted that to a mixed number, I had the whole number of 3, and then my fraction was 3/5. Okay? And that's how you do that. Check your answer. Number 2 will be the same thing. Put that whole number of 2 over the number 1. Number 3 will be the same thing. Now this time they're going to just put it into the mixed number right away. So if I'm doing this one over here, I have 9 times 1/3. I'm going to take that 9 and put it over the whole number of 1. Now I'm going to multiply 9 times 1, which is 9. Then I'm going to multiply my denominators, 1 times 3, which is 3. Now this time, yes, this is an improper fraction, but 9 divided by 3 goes exactly 3 times. So 3 will be my answer. When I go to put it on the PMT, I put my improper fraction first, 9 over 3. And when I convert that, it'll simply be 3. Same thing with number 4. Same thing with number 5. This time you just have to put it in simplest form. So again, I work out my problem. I have the fraction of 7/8. This time I'm multiplying it by the whole number of 5. I put that whole number of 5 over 1. Now I'm going to multiply numerator times numerator. I get 35. Denominator, 8 times 1 is 8. Now I have to change this into a mixed number. I know 8 times 4 brings me to 32. So I know 4 is going to be my whole number. If I add 3 to that, that brings me to 35. So I have 3/8. Now, 3/8 is already in its simplest form. I can't break it down anymore. So now when you go to put your answer in over here, you're going to be putting the whole number of 4 first. Then I'm going to put the fraction. So I hit that fraction key or symbol, 3/8.